If your homemade pizza keeps coming out with a soggy middle, burnt edges, and that disappointing, it looked better in the recipe video feeling, you're not alone. Most home ovens just don't deliver the intense, even heat needed for proper pizza crust. That's where pizza stones come in. And the Hans Grill Pizza Stone is one of those tools that promises to bring restaurant-style baking into a regular kitchen setup without needing a full pizza oven. So this is the Hans Grill 15-inch cordierite pizza stone, designed for people who love homemade pizza, artisan bread, or baked snacks, but want a better crust and more even cooking. It's aimed at home cooks, barbecue lovers, and anyone trying to upgrade their oven or grill setup without spending hundreds on a dedicated pizza oven. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you notice is the weight and texture of the stone. It feels solid and purpose-built, not like a fragile kitchen accessory. The cordierite material has a rough, porous surface that actually matters in practice because it absorbs moisture from the dough while distributing heat evenly. That combination is what helps you get that crisp base instead of a soft, undercooked center. It's not flashy, but it feels like a tool that's meant to take heat, abuse, and repeated use without breaking down. The size is another strong point. At 15 inches, it comfortably fits most standard home ovens and gives you enough surface area for a large pizza or multiple smaller flatbreads. It also works surprisingly well on barbecue grills, which opens up that smoky, outdoor-style cooking option if you want it. The included wooden peel is a nice touch because it makes transferring pizza in and out of the oven less stressful, especially if you're new to using pizza stones. In real cooking, the difference becomes obvious pretty quickly. The stone heats up slowly, but once it's hot, it holds its temperature consistently. That steady heat is what gives you a better crust, especially when compared to baking trays that lose heat the moment dough hits them. Pizza cooks more evenly from the bottom up, and you start seeing that golden, slightly blistered base that's usually hard to achieve in a regular oven. It's not just for pizza either. Bread bakes more evenly with a better crust, frozen pizzas come out noticeably improved, and even things like calzones or flatbreads get that bakery-style finish. One thing to be aware of is that it does require preheating time. You can't rush it. If you skip that step, you won't get the full benefit, so it's more of a plan-ahead tool than a quick-fix appliance. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, which might surprise people new to pizza stones. You don't use soap or soak it like regular cookware. Instead, it naturally darkens over time as part of the baking process, and that's completely normal. In fact, seasoned stones often perform better with use. It's a different mindset compared to non-stick pans, but once you get used to it, maintenance feels almost effortless. Now, it's important to be realistic about what this does and doesn't do. It won't magically turn a basic oven into a professional wood-fired pizza setup. You still need good dough, proper temperature control, and a bit of practice. But what it does do is significantly improve the foundation of your bake by fixing one of the biggest issues at home, uneven bottom heat. Compared to cheaper pizza stones, the Hans Grill version stands out because of its thicker build and more reliable heat retention. Some budget stones tend to crack or heat unevenly over time, while premium pizza ovens obviously outperform everything but come at a much higher cost. This sits in that practical middle ground where you get a noticeable upgrade without a huge investment. Overall, the Hans Grill Pizza Stone feels like one of those simple kitchen tools that quietly improve your cooking without needing any complicated setup. It won't replace a professional pizza oven, but it absolutely elevates anything you bake in a home oven or grill. If you enjoy homemade pizza or want better crusts without upgrading your entire kitchen setup, this is definitely worth considering. The link is down in the description for pricing and details. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.